Hey, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I take my nails off using this Dollar Tree stuff. Everything that I have can be found at the stores. I tried to get this pump it acetone stuff, y'all. And I don't know if it's nail polish remover or acetone, which one was it, because I was really struggling with it. But y'all gonna see, I'm gonna be hopping back and forth within this video. And yeah. All right, so we're gonna first start off with cutting our nails down to our actual natural nails. Then this next part is optional, y'all. You do not have to do this part, but you know, just me being extra, because y'all, I'm telling y'all, this nail file is so good. It's like the nail file at the shop, y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, for $1, I cannot beat it. Like, but this part is optional. You don't have to file it down if you don't want to, but I did for my personal preference. And I also filed down my nails to the shape that I wanted them to be once I took them off. Next, we're going to cut up our foil into 10 individual pieces and get some cotton balls. And then we're going to take this nail polish remover slash acetone, read the instructions, pump that thing up real good, and get them cotton balls nice and juicy. You could prep all the cotton balls prior, or you could do them individually. So this next part is pretty self-explanatory. It's sorry that I wasn't in the frame, y'all. I was trying to get it done, honey, okay? But you know, you're gonna wrap that thing up, you know, get them all juicy, and make sure y'all squeeze them so the acetone can really be getting into the nails and doing what it gotta do, okay? I sat for 25 minutes, and these are my results. I didn't really see much coming off, so I put them back on, and I sat for another 5 minutes, which really didn't do nothing either. But y'all, however many times y'all need to do this, or what y'all need to do, whatever. So next we're gonna take these flossies and try to go under the nail and try to pick up as much of the nail as that we can. You can opt this out for filing or whatever you want to do personally to take them off, but this is a technique that can be a little bit easier for those who want to do it. So basically, all you're gonna do is keep constantly repeating the same steps until you're finished between the filing and the flossy. You can also put the cotton balls back on there if you would like. This process did take me a while to do because of the product. I'm assuming it took me, I want to say, at least an hour and a half to get all my nails off. So if you want to be doing this type of process, make sure you're not doing nothing. When you're ready, you could take the front part of the file and start to buff your nails down to take any extra acrylic off. So after all the filing and flossing, this is what I have. So I went ahead and washed my hands. I did apply this oil that I got from Dollar Tree as well. That smells really, really good. And believe it or not, it smells like watermelon, even though it's cucumber and aloe. But these are my end results. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!